sulphonic acid, tesapon, nitrosol, and soda ash are the main 4 ingredients on this multipurpose liquid soap. The rest are optional. This preservative, sodium benzoate, fragrance, and color. Step 1. Get a dry bowl, add SLES or tesapon into a dry bowl. After that, add your sulphonic acid, mix it together with the tesapon. It will help you to boost the foaming of the soap. Mix both together to activate the foaming. This helps your soap to foam very, very well. If you have not been doing it like this before, try and do it this way. And you will see that it will lather more, even more than ever before. Mix both together. Sulphonic acid is a cleaning agent and also a foaming agent. And tesapon is a foaming agent in this production. Adding the two together boosts and increases the foaming of your liquid soap. Don't forget to share this video, like and comment. After mixing it together very well, set it aside for the next step. Remove 1 liter out of your 12 liters of water. Then add your soda ash into it and dissolve it. Soda ash is a cleaning agent in this production and also serves as a thickener. Add and stir. Make sure everything dissolves completely. Stir it very well. Stir it for 4 to 5 minutes. Then set it aside. The next step is to measure your 11 liters of water. Remember, we are making 12 liters production. We've used 1 liter to dissolve soda ash. The remaining 11 liters of water is being measured into the mixing bowl. Now add nitrosol to it. As you add, you stir. Don't leave your nitrosol on stir and be attending to another thing. After adding it all into the water, stir it for complete 10 minutes. At this point, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. It will notify you when I drop the next video. After stirring it for 10 minutes, it will look exactly like this. The next is to add your soda ash into the nitrosol. As you add, you stir. As you add, you stir. And as you are stirring it, you will notice that it will start thickening up. Continue stirring it for another 10 minutes. Don't even think of skipping it, because the more you stir it, the more you get the best out of your production. If you allow it unstirred, it will affect the outcome of your products. But if you stir it very well, the outcome will become clearer and thicker. Look at it. After stirring it for more than 10 minutes, this is exactly how it looks like. Then the next step is to add your already mixed tesapon and sulphonic acid into it. Add everything into it and continue stirring it. Stir it together. you will notice that immediately you start stirring it, it starts changing the look of the soap. Then continue stirring it. The more you stir, the more it gets thicker. Stir and stir until you mix everything together. Make sure all the ingredients blend together very well. It will give you neat and clear production. Don't be tired of mixing. You can rest a while and continue mixing. Mix and mix it very well. At the end of the day, you will like the outcome of your products. Now your liquid soap is ready. Adding the color, the fragrance, and the rest of it is additional. You can choose to leave it like this if it is for your personal use at home. You can use it to wash your dishes, to wash your clothes, and to wash your hands without color or fragrance or preservative. But if you are making it for commercial purpose, maybe that you are doing it for a business, I will advise you to add your preservative, add your color to beautify it, and add your fragrance. It will attract more customer. And the next I'm adding is preservative. I mix it with a little amount of water. Remember to reserve the water that you are going to use to mix your preservative, to mix your color out of your 12 liters of water. So now I added my preservative to a little amount of water, mix it together, mix it, make sure everything dissolves before adding it into my soap. Then I add it and I make sure I stir it very well. So as you are doing your own, please stir very well. And after preservative, the next I'm adding is my fragrance. My fragrance, I scoop a little out of the soap and I added the fragrance to it in order to mix it very well before adding it to soap. Some fragrance can be very funny. Adding it directly to your soap can make your soap watery or change the texture of your soap. That is why it's very important you mix your fragrance separately before adding it into the soap. Stir it together very well. The beauty of liquid soap is about stirring. So don't be tired of stirring. Stir it and stir it. When you stir it, it gives you a perfect production. The next I'm adding is my color. Already I've divided the soap into two. I want to add yellow color to parts A and add blue color to the other parts. I've divided it already. So I'm adding yellow color to this part. I'm adding it bit by bit. I don't want it to be too much. That is why I'm adding and checking it. You add, you check it. And as you add your color, mix it very well. Mix your color very well to blend together. Then after that, I switch into my blue color, added the blue color, and I mix it very well. So follow all my steps. And believe me, you will arrive at the same point. Your soap will look exactly like this. As you can see, the soap foams very well. You can see it from the beginning of this video. The soaps lather very, very well. Here is the soap after 12 hours. Now it has cleared and settled. It's not watery and it's not over thick. You can try this for business. This will double your capital. And also, if you do it for your personal use, this will save you and your family a lot of money. That is what we give people in this channel. Empower to earn, help you to save money or earn money. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell. It will notify you when I drop the next video. Comment, like, and share so that it will get to those people that need this video. Thanks for watching. Thank you, my return subscriber. God bless you. See you in the next video. Bye.